So today in this video guys, I am going to share with you why the price of Bitcoin is facing some resistance around 35,000, what could be happening in the medium short term, and also what kind of scenario should we expect for the coming days. As you can see, I have prepared some interesting chart which is pointing us what could be happening next. So before I start talking about it, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much. As you can see, this parabolic curve pattern has unfortunately failed. After forming this base 1, base 2, base 3 and base 4, we have failed to find support at this curve line, which is resulting in some range bound. Yes, after failing to form this parabolic move, this final move, the price of Bitcoin is consolidating in between 35 to 34,000. So what does this mean here in the medium short term? Because this scenario is already invalidated. Now we should focus on bigger picture, because in a bigger picture, this weekly candle has also closed below 35,000. That means in the medium short term, we could see more range bound and price coming back to test some key line before starting with a new impulsive movement here like this. Yes guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after some range bound, after some shakeout, to start with an actual impulsiveness which could easily bring us around 39 to 40,000 range. And why? Because we know parallelly the price of Bitcoin here in the medium short term is holding some key line around 34,000. This is one big reason why we are consolidating around that area for a while. You can see this descending broadening wedge scenario, the upper trend line, which previously acted as a line of resistance, is holding us exactly around 34,000. But if I would add another rising trend line from this low till this high, you can see this rising trend line is also acting as a line of support. Yes, exactly where the support from this descending broadening wedge upper trend line is lying around. So that means 34,000 right now is considered as one important line of support which we are not allowed to break, because breaking below this 34,000 means the price could be heading to us to find support around this lower trend line from this descending broadening wedge before showing another move here like this. Yes, price coming back to test some key line first before starting with a new impulsive movement. And now if this shakeout happens, I mean price failing to find support around 34,000, then this descending channel breakout scenario will also play out parallelly. I mean, if you look at this carefully, the upper trend line from the descending channel acted as a line of resistance, lower trend line acted as a line of support. So in the medium short term, if we do see another continuation here to the downside, then this lower trend line is where we could be getting attracted before showing another continuation here like this. I mean, price breaking out from this bull flag type of formation. But before we see this bullish movement, first there could be a shakeout, there could be over leverage people, right, liquidating them, and only after that starting with a new impulsive movement. And now even this symmetrical triangle or pennant, doesn't matter how you look at it. Yes, in the medium short term there might be some weakness, because the upper trend line from this symmetrical triangle or pennant is also acting as a line of resistance. Lower trend line is acting as a line of support. So in the medium short term, if this is going to play out as a bearish continuation pattern, right, even breaking the support around 34,000, right, then this is going to be looked as a bearish continuation pattern. Why? Because in that case, we could be also looking this formation as double top. Yes guys, if the price in the medium short term fails to hold the support on 34,000, then we have to be careful, because you can see in that case we could be resulting in another continuation here to the downside on the neckline from this double top like a formation 33,600, and losing that means another bearish continuation here like this. Yes, the price of Bitcoin could show another continuation here to the downside if we lose the support which we have around 34,000 and even the support around 33,600 range. And now let me show you with this falling wedge pattern why, even if the price is going to show a bigger shakeout, liquidating all the over leverage longs and show another continuation here like this. I mean, price falling up to 6%, 7%, 8%. Is it going to invalidate the bullish scenario? No, because in a bigger frame, this could still be looked as a retest. Yes, this exact trend line, which previously acted as a line of resistance, might get retested first before starting with a new impulsive movement here like this. So even if the price in the medium short term does show shakeout, does get attracted around 30,000, 32,000 range, please do not panic. That could be just a temporary pullback like this before starting with a new impulsive movement. And why? Because in a bigger picture, I mean in a weekly picture, retracement around 30,000 to 32,000 will be acting as a temporary retracement, because around that area we also have support from this Williams alligator indicator. And why this actually matters, because during an uptrend, you can see during an uptrend, price has had plenty of shakeout. But what happened after finding support at this Williams alligator indicator? It started showing an impulsive movement like this, right? With each and every retracement around Williams alligator indicator, the price started showing impulsiveness. Here as well, you can see a bullish move got attracted towards this Williams alligator indicator. Boom, a new impulsive movement. Another retracement around this Williams alligator indicator. When we found proper support, what happened after that? Another bullish impulsive movement. If you look at this carefully, this is not just only a bullish Williams alligator indicator crossover, but in our case, this Williams alligator indicator is also acting as a line of support. So if we do see another continuation here like this, price getting attracted towards this Williams alligator indicator, then this Williams alligator indicator will be acting as a line of support, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to show another continuation here like this, because remaining below 30,000, above 30,000 means we are still bullish, and this retracement is going to be looked as a temporary retracement before price starts breaking here to the upside. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. But if you are watching this for the first time, then hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.